Alright, so today we're looking at the Steelseries Apex 7 TKL. This is the limited edition Ghost. So pretty much with this keyboard, it is the Apex 7 from Steelseries, just white with pudding keycaps. It is kind of cool to get a white version of this keyboard because, I mean, it does look really good. Yeah, I like the steel aluminum backplate and everything. The keycaps are double shot PBT. They're pudding. I mean, they look good. For RGB, it's really great, but once again, you can just buy these same kind of keycaps aftermarket. So since this is the Apex 7 and nothing's really changed, it does have the screen, has a little scroll wheel up top, the little button, and on the back you can change which way you want the wires to go through. You also have the USB Passthrough, which is great if you do need one. But these are Cherry MX Red switches. They're not the best,